Jeff Jarvis. Oh, Jeff used to be the critic for TV Guide. Be the critic for TV Guide.
No, I teach students. I'm a professor.
Professor Jeff Jarvis. Thank you.
But you know what happened is I pulled the books out from 5 years ago.
That's an accident.
Oh, did it capture?
I don't know if it did.
Not safe. Whoa, that's not safe. There's a guy there too.
Turn left.
There's a guy hanging there. Look, look, look. They're catching.
Can you back up?
Oh shit! Look at that.
Back up. Turn right onto the road.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm getting out of here.
Get the
Man,
that's
crazy.
Them. You were just looking.
That
at
is
them.
crazy.
You were just looking.
What are you doing?
Did they leave?
Just
DHB 9431.
Right now with Jerry Chevrolet, with financing as low as 0% for up to 72 months available. Drive off in a new Malibu for as low as $266 a month with no money down. Right now with Jerry, save up to $8,900 off new Chevrolet Equinox. Plus new Chevys from Jerry's come with free
咩？
冇事冇事
冇事啊！
你啦。
Oh my！
嗰個車做咩啊？啊，大家冇事，你冇事啊，老公。
Two guitars Tom DeLonge. They don't have any big things on Tom, but they do have all the small things. Yes! Oh, we're back, baby. What's up, everyone? I'm going to take that opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Will Campos. I play Henry Oak, Birkenstock rockin', granola crunching, munchy, hippie-natured druid dad. This week's dad fact about Henry Oak is this. We've all heard Henry's favorite TV show. We've all heard of Henry's favorite drink. But did you know Henry's favorite radio station is The Wind? That's right! 103.1.
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm good.